Trigger finger or trigger thumb is a medical condition in which any of your fingers, especially your thumb, catch in a bent position and suddenly get straightened. This straightening occurs abruptly with a snapping sound. The condition is similar to that of a trigger being pulled and released, and hence the name. Trigger thumb is a very painful state, and severe conditions may result in locking a finger in bent position. Trigger finger is caused by a condition wherein the sheath around the tendon sheath, in your thumb, gets narrowed or contracted. Inflammation of tendons also causes trigger thumb. People who are involved in jobs that require repetitive grabbing motions are often the victims of this repetitive strain injury, RSI, disorder. Trigger thumb often requires medical attention, and there are lots of alternative treatments to cure this. Alternative treatments for trigger finger. This aching, uncomfortable, and totally unbearable condition can even prevent one from doing simple everyday tasks. Over-the-counter medications are available to treat the condition of trigger finger, and some people opt for surgery. But there are many alternative therapies that are found to be successful in curing trigger thumb. 1. Simple exercises. Generally, complete rest of fingers is suggested for the relief of trigger thumb condition. But some simple exercises can effectively relieve this painful condition. The exercises should target the muscles and tendons of the affected area. Exercises are effective in healing the area and thereby improves hand and finger functioning. The patient should not be involved in sports activities during the healing process. 2. Massages. Simple massage techniques are reported to be very effective in treating trigger thumb or trigger finger. The use of massage along with heating pads will enhance blood circulation in the affected area. This will let loose the strain and muscles around the joint. Press an ice bag on the affected fingers to soothe the strained tissues. Every morning, soak the affected hand in a container of warm water to prevent further locking of fingers. 3. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese therapy that can effectively give relief to trigger thumb condition. By applying gentle pressure by pointed needles or by fingers, one may get relief from the painful condition. 4. Aloe vera. Dipping the affected finger in aloe vera juice will help in lessening inflammation. You can even apply aloe vera gel. 5. Evening primrose oil. Experience shows that daily intake of evening primrose oil is effective in improving trigger finger condition. Consumption of vitamin B complex also helps. Cortisone injection or surgery are temporary solutions and may have several side effects. Therefore, it is better to embrace safe alternative therapies to combat trigger finger. Going with the good old saying, prevention is better than cure. People whose jobs call for overuse of the hand in repetitive motions are more prone to contracting this disease. People who are involved in computer operation, playing of musical instruments, etc. are at higher risk. People with a history of rheumatoid arthritis, gout and hypothyroidism also tend to suffer from this condition. The main preventive action that can be taken with regard to this is to avoid overuse of your thumb and fingers. Indulge in alternative activities to give proper rest to your fingers and take breaks throughout the day. According to the reports of American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, over half of American women experience painful bunions, and 9 out of every 10 cases of bunions occur in females. Deformity in the structure of bone, commonly caused by wearing narrow or tight shoes, leads to bunions that can be prevented. In some rare cases, however, bunions could be the result of foot injuries or genetic disorders. Although it is believed that bunions cannot be cured fully without a surgery, there are some natural cures for bunions that help in relieving the condition and soothes pain. It is also possible to avoid a surgery by making certain changes, by wearing right fit shoes and maintaining an appropriate position of the feet. There are 7 incredible natural cures for bunions that can prove to be helpful. How to cure bunions. 1. Use ice packs. A bunion is characterized by inflammation and pain of the bone. Applying a cold compressor ice pack, according to the Mayo Clinic, can help in reducing inflammation and alleviating pain. Ice pack can be applied twice or thrice daily for best results. You can place 4 to 6 ice cubes in a sandwich bag, seal it, wrap it in a towel, and apply on the affected spot. Apply for 10 minutes, several times during the day. Repeat this cycle. 2. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is one of the greatest natural cures for bunions as it helps in relieving severe pain and inflammation. It has been proven to be one of the greatest remedies for bunions and other joint-related disorders too. Epsom salt works by softening your skin. Take some Epsom salt and dissolve it in 1 bucket full of warm water. Now soak your foot in the water for 30 minutes. Do this once daily for effective results. 3. Watch your diet. You must include a lot of lemons, oranges and kiwis in your diet as it helps in reducing inflammation. Making changes in your diet is the key to most health problems, which includes bunions too. Increase your consumption of pumpkin seed and flaxseed oil, as these are potent natural cures for bunions. 4. Eat natural bromelain. Bromelain is naturally present in pineapples. It is an effective ingredient that help in decreasing the size of bunion. 5. Aspirin soak. Aspirin is a valuable cure for bunions. Take 3 to 4 tablets, grounded and mixed in a bucket of warm water. Drench your affected foot in the water for 30 minutes. It will soothe your pain and swelling. However, if skin irritation is observed, avoid using aspirin. 6. Castor oil. Castor oil is one of the excellent remedies for bunions. Apply warm castor oil on foot to reduce swelling and pain. This remedy should be followed once a day for effective results. It can help in curing the problem completely. 7. Red pepper. Red pepper is often recommended for alleviating bunion pain. Red pepper contains an active ingredient called capsaicin, which is a substance that can deplete the nerves of compounds mainly responsible for the pain. Cut red pepper into half and rub the juice directly onto the bunion. Do it once daily for best result. Besides using any of these aforementioned natural cures for bunions, you must wear well-fitted shoes to prevent pain and further swelling. Fibromyalgia is a syndrome which mostly occurs in women after 30 years of age. It is also referred to as a sore all-over syndrome as it causes immense pain and one ends up feeling tired and weak as well. In case of fibromyalgia, people normally suffer from symptoms such as morning stiffness, disturbed sleep, pain across the entire body, the appearance of gentle spots on the body, memory problems, gastrointestinal issues, cognitive problems, headaches, drowsiness and so on. While most people opt for medical treatment in case of fibromyalgia, there are also many natural remedies that can cure this disease. Here are a few natural cures for fibromyalgia. 7 various natural cures for fibromyalgia. 1. Regular exercise. Doing exercise on a regular basis is very essential in order to cure pain in the muscles and knee stiffness. It improves energy and reduces all kinds of stress and depression. Thus, you should go for early morning exercise regime in a park or garden or involve in some other physical activities such as cycling, swimming, jogging, etc. 2. Acupuncture therapy. Acupuncture is a Chinese therapy which is known to be beneficial in curing almost all kinds of diseases. In case you are affected by fibromyalgia, you should get in touch with a good acupuncturist and go for regular acupuncture therapy. This involves the insertion of fine needles at specific points of your body that are relevant to the ailment. 3. Massage therapy. An important alternative for treating fibromyalgia naturally is the age-old massage therapy. This therapy is very effective in giving relief from any kind of muscle pain or stiffness, and is always a safe option that one can easily opt for. 4. Willow bark tea. You should consume willow bark tea on a regular basis if fibromyalgia has been bothering you from a long time. This tea is light on the stomach and thus comes with 0 side effects. However, you should consume this for a period of at least 2 weeks in order to see the early results of relief. 5. Cayenne. Cayenne is an herb which is extremely beneficial for curing symptoms of fibromyalgia. This herb contains capsaicin, which aids in lessening the intensity of pain. 6. Ginger root. In case of fibromyalgia, it is advisable that patients should eat raw ginger roots on a daily basis. Ginger is known to improve blood circulation, and good circulation of blood in the body is vital for curing pain, which is a common symptom of fibromyalgia. You can also drink ginger tea regularly as it is not only a healthy choice, but is good for treating muscle pain as well. Ginger can be mixed with olive oil and massaged on the affected area in order to cure the pain of fibromyalgia. 7. Essential oils. You can opt for oil massages as it is highly beneficial for curing the symptoms of fibromyalgia. It's advisable that lavender oil massage should be done in the morning and rosemary oil massage should be done in the evening. This wonder combination is surely going to help you get rid of fibromyalgia and all its effects.